As a lot of you have requested for syllabus and entrance examination preparation for various courses of IASI, I have started this initiative. And yes, in this video I will talk about the CRS, MTech CRS syllabus. So if I go to the MTech CRS page, I have two exams. One is PCA, one is PCB. If I look at the syllabus and sample questions for PCA, I get this. Now this is a multiple choice question and this will be used for MTech CS, CRS, MTech QROR and then your JRF exams. So over here you have algebra, coordinate geometry, calculus, elementary, discrete, probability theory. So let's look at these. The algebra, if I look at these are mostly your number theory, your linear algebra and your sequence and series. I can say that the algebra is similar to JEE plus a bit of more focus on your linear algebra. You can just look at these things over here. So if I look at the coordinate geometry, it is exactly equal to your JEE syllabus, but yes, the 3D geometry part is left out from here. If I look the calculus, it has pretty much everything which you will have in your JEE part, but yes, it has something called functions of several variables, and then you have double integrals as well, and then you have ordinary differential, linear differential equations, which is not covered that much in JEE. And if I look at the elementary discrete probability theory, it has combinatorial probability, conditional probability, Bayes theorem, binomial and Poisson distributions. So the probability theory, probability and statistics part is a bit advanced than JEE. That calculus is also a bit advanced than JEE, and the algebra is also a bit advanced than JEE. But the coordinate geometry is similar to JEE minus the 3D geometry. So what I can see is your basic background over here should be JEE maths plus a bit of linear algebra, then minus 3D geometry, then functions, separate variables and double integrals and ordinary differential equations, and try to read questions on binomial and Poisson distributions. So this is your PCA part. Now let's look at the PCB part. If I go to the PCB part, now this will be applicable for MTech CS and MTech CRS course. So there are two groups over here, CS group which is computer science and then non-CS group which is mathematics. So I will not look at the CS group part, I will just look at the non-CS part. The non-CS part has algebra which is the same as your PCA. Then yeah, but over here you have something called groups, Boolean algebra. So this is a part which you have to read, group theory. And then in coordinate geometry is the same as PCA. Calculus is also same as PCA, but yes, you also have something called vector calculus. So there's an extra thing over here. In elementary discrete probability theory, you have the same as PCA. In graph theory, you have graphs, different representations, subgraphs, connectivity trees and their properties. So I can say this is a lot more than your JEE maths. You have to read a bit of algebra of JEE maths and linear algebra, then set theory, group theory and graph theory. Then in probability statistics you have to read binomial and Poisson. In calculus you have to read vector calculus, and that's pretty much it. In coordinate geometry, it's like the JEE coordinate geometry minus the 3D geometry. So that is about the PCB part. So I can say that your MTech CRS has two exams, the PCA part and the PCB part. So PCA is roughly, let's say 75-20% your JEE, but PCB is like 60% JEE, and then you have to add on higher level of mathematics. So I would say you can start with your JEE mathematics and add on other topics with your sample questions and syllabus in the later stages. But to begin the preparation, you have to cover the JEE syllabus first. That will be my takeaway from the CRS syllabus, MTech CRS syllabus.